Napapansin ko nga na medyo lumalaki na ulit yung tiyan ko after ko magpahinga ng pag-gym for almost 2 months. Kaya naman to start my Balik Alindog program, nagpunta ako dito sa Nook Aesthetic dito lang sa may show to check what we can do about it. And for me to gain back my confidence, they suggested that we can do M-Scalp for my tummy. Alam nyo ba na ang isang M-Scalp session ay katumbas ng around 20,000 sit-ups or crunches? Kaya hindi talaga sapat ang workout alone lang kung gusto mong lumiit talaga yung tiyan mo. And yung malaking tiyan ko talaga yung insecurity ko for a very long time. Buti na lang I discovered this Nook Aesthetic na nag-o-offer ng very affordable procedures and sessions. And after 30 minutes ng M-Scalp procedure, here's the result. I'm really satisfied na laki ng naging improvement ng tummy ko. And syempre, hindi agad liliit yan, so it has to be continued. And you still have to attend more sessions para kitang-kita ang improvement. And since andito na din ako sa clinic, I also took advantage of the opportunity para